it's me Sanchari again and welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am again going to speak about the newly launched makeup products that I have used recently, and I have formed my views about that. So if you guys are interested to know my thoughts about these products, then please stay tuned in the end of this video. Finally, I got my hands on Blue Heaven Hydrating Skin Tint. Now, I was really confused while getting this shade, so I picked up the last shade, which is caramel, and today I have used this on my face. And can you make out if my face is lighter than my body? Because I can easily make out that my neck, face and my shoulder are three different colors. I cannot do anything because brand have only few shades in this range. I wish they can expand their shade so that even dusky, deeper skin tone can try out these kind of skin tint, because Blue Heaven has done a very great job introducing such skin tints, because we don't have anything like this in Indian market, and we consumers are looking for such kind of products because no one likes to use foundation in their day-to-day basis. We always love to use some light coverage, something very hydrating on our face. So today, as I tried this on my face, I could see that the skin tint gave me a very matte finish just because I had a matte silicone primer underneath. But if you are someone from a very dry skin family, you can go with the hydrating or dewy primer, and then your base will look more hydrating and more dewy. So yes, all in all, I really enjoyed working with this. But I have used one side with the sponge and other side with a brush to see how the coverage is, and it gives a very light coverage, but you can easily build up very nicely. And you will see that once you build up or once you layer this skin tint, it will not make your face look cakey, because today I have layered this twice. This has not given me that masky face or cakey face. So yes, I'm really enjoying this. I tried this skin tint just today, and if you ask my first impression, it is a wow product. Finally, I was able to get my hands on this Gush Beauty face palette. This is the outer packaging and this is how the inner packaging looks like. I know you all must have seen in other videos, but I really wanted to share this. I have got it myself after seeing a lot of review, and this is how it looks. It comes in a stack format, and this reminds me of Melt Cosmetics eyeshadow stack, which I had in the past. Because it had expired, I had to discard it. So you get one contour, one highlighter and blush, and also with a very good quality mirror. Now this packaging is really thoughtful. This will not take any extra space in your baggage. You can just toss it in your bag, in your makeup bag, and you are all good to go, because you get all three things in one stack. Now let me just give you a very short review about each and every product over here. Like, talking about the blush, it is creamy in nature when I touch it. It has a very nice rosy color which has a cool undertone, as you can see over here. So I don't know how it will look on my skin tone. I do not like such kind of pinky rosy shade. I always prefer some mauvey tones or some brown tones or some peachy tone blush, because that suits my skin tone. Now, talking about this highlighter, as I am touching, it really feels very smooth to touch, but when I am swatching it here, you can see it does not give you a very highlighting reflection which highlighter does. Now, if you want your highlighter to be very blinding, this will not do the job for you, because you can see it gives you a very subtle glow that you get from within. It is not very stark, it is not very blinding, not too overpowering, nothing. It will just give you a very subtle flush highlighting to your face, and you can see that when I tilt my face, it gives a very nice youthful glow on my face. So if you are someone who is looking out for that blinding highlighter, this is not going to do that for you. For that you'll have to refer to any other highlighter, but the thought in this is very great. Now talking about the contour, as you can see, it has got a right amount of cool undertone to it, because I love my contour to be cool in nature and my bronzer to be warm in nature. And this is also in cream format, and this is how it swatches. Now you can see it looks dark on the pan but very light on my hand, maybe because I have a tan skin and it is not showing that much on my brown skin. But if some light or medium skin tone swatches it on their hand, it will show the right amount of color. The thing I wanted to say that while I was working with it, I tried to use this contour on my cheekbones with a brush, but I saw that it gave me very minimal pigmentation. It was not like, okay, this is a cream contour and it will give you a very nice pigmentation. You have to build it up little by little, only then you will get that contour effect. Now what I did is that I used my finger on my cheekbones to apply this contour shade, and afterwards I tried to blend it out with my brush, and later I found that yes, fingers does a very good job than other tools. Next, I got this Rimmel natural bronzer in the shade Sundown, and this I picked up from Nyka at a very good discounted price. I was eyeing this product for a very long time. It was lying in my wish list, and this time when I found this at a good discounted rate, I just grabbed it without any second thought. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in two different shades. This will suit dusky skin tone very well because this has a right amount of redness to it, and this is kind of bronzer shade wherein you can contour as well as bronze up your skin, and this will just serve the purpose. Now I will just give you a swatch. When I touch it, it feels very silky smooth to touch, and this is how the pigment is. So at one swipe you get such good quality pigment, and I know Rimmel products are way too pigmented than you actually can think of. Today I use this to contour the jawline, and you can see how nice and how beautiful effect it just gave me. So I feel that this is a perfect shade for tan to dusky to deeper skin tone people. There is one more shade which will suit light to medium skin tone, and yes, so my first impression is this is a wow product. It is amazing. You can just give it a try. It is always on the discount. 378 is like under 400, and you get such good quality contour. Then I finally got my hands on this Flower Beauty blush bomb in the shade Melon. I picked up from Amazon at the price of ₹640, because I was eyeing this product for a very long time and I did not wanted to give a full price for this product. I was waiting for a good discount, and the shade Melon is a right shade for my skin tone because I love peachy tone blush on my skin, and this is how Melon looks like once I swatch it for you guys. So this is how it looks, and it blends like a dream. The finish is little bit dewy, but it sets and give you a semi matte finish, and that is how I like my cream blushes to be. This is way too pigmented that you can actually think of. I tried to use this product today, and little goes a very long way. So firstly I tried to use it with my finger and tried to blend out, and it just blended like nothing. It just blended into each and every product that I had underneath without giving me any kind of splotchy look. Next I tried to use it with a sponge, and with the sponge also it gave me a very good even tone finish. And yes, I am really enjoying this product a lot. Next, I'm going to talk about this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Now, if you don't know, Essence made a comeback on Nykaa, and also it is easily available on Myntra. They have launched some new products, so you can go ahead and give it a try. I am huge fan of Essence since the time Nykaa had launched their app, and that time Essence products were available on Nykaa. After some time, Nykaa had stopped bringing Essence, and I too started missing Essence a lot. Now I have few favorites from Essence which I'm going to share my video very soon, but let's talk about this. I was eyeing this mascara for a very long time, and finally I was able to get my hands on this, because every time I thought of getting this, it was always out of stock. So what could be done? But this time I thought whenever it is in stock, I will just go ahead and buy it. So now that I have tried this product, you can see on this clip on my right eyelash I have used this mascara, and you can see how nice volume and length it gives. Also my lashes look very curling and it gives a very nice effect. And on the left hand side you can see the difference it makes after using this mascara. Also it is under rupees 400, so you can go ahead, give it a try, and you will definitely love this. If you know Tati Beauty from Glam Life Guru, she loves this mascara, and it is her recommendation to give it a try once, and you will just forget about the falsies. I have forgotten about wearing falsies nowadays because I love these mascaras so much. Today I'm going to speak about this NY Bay Gloss Getter Lip Gloss. I had showed this product in my last video, but I did not use it that time. But today I have it on my lips, and this is a very nice affordable lip gloss from NY Bay. It is their newer launch, and it gives a very nice glossy finish, low to medium coverage, pearly satin finish, lightweight in texture. I agree to this point that it is lightweight because I have been applying this for quite some time now. You will not feel that something is on your lips. I picked up the shade Caramel Cashew, and this has a very nice mauvey brown undertone to it. If you are fair to medium, it will look different on your lips, and if you are tan to dusky, it will look different on your lips. And if you ask me, the shade reminds me of Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. I don't have that shade right now because I have used it up and I need to buy another one. Now talking about the pearly satin finish, yes, this gives a very nice satiny finish. Like you will not feel any kind of stickiness. It is very smooth on your lips, and also it does not settle in your lip lines. And if you have dry lips, then this is a perfect liquid lipstick or lip gloss for you, because this will not make your lips dry. So if you are someone with dry flaky lips, you can try using this product, but before that exfoliate your lips very well and use a very good lip balm. After that you can use this, and it will keep your lips hydrated. Now talking about the coverage, they say it has low to medium coverage. I agree to this because you need to layer this product twice to get that pigmentation. If you have pigmented lips like me, then obviously you need to go with certain layers like 2 to 3 coats, and then you are good to go. And glossy finish, I will not say that it has got a typical lip gloss glossy finish which is very juicy, very glossy, very glass like finish, which is perfect for this summer because formula is very comfortable. It is nice to work with. You will not feel that you're wearing something on your lips. Very lightweight in nature. Also the shade is perfect for tan to dusky skin tone. If you think that it can wash you off, you can line your lips with a darker brown or darker maroon shade and you are all good to go. Alright you guys, so this is it for today's video. Hope you found this video helpful and interesting. If you did, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell button just besides the subscribe button. That way you will be notified about my future uploads. Also I upload every new video twice a week, and if you think you want to connect with me, then you can also follow me on my social media handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. If you have any kind of queries, or if you just want to come and say hi, then you can go ahead and DM me. I will be always available to reply to you. I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.